Judd Fabian and Matthew Etzel for your Bay Sox. Sung-Jae Chang swings at the first pitch and drives it to deep center field. Judd Fabian cruising back towards the edge of the track. He backpedals into the shade and makes the catch, crossing over from the sunshine. Was a good charge from Sung-Jae Chang. It's 4-0. Fellows, 0-1 pitch, and Fabian pops it up. It's shallow in left center field. Chang's going to run a long way from shortstop. Makes the catch overhead. Basayo was slightly off of third base, so he retreats back. Impressive. Hulking left-handed hitter awaits the first pitch, and it's a hot shot over to third. Staying down on it, Pichardo throws to the second base bag where the shortstop Chang covers, and they get Ben Cosme out. That was an awkward one for the curve as Pichardo had to snare one of those scenarios. Basayo dances off of first, and they got him picked off. Thrown over to Perez. Basayo tries to dance out of the way, but he's out of the baseline on an attempted swipe from Chang, and he is called out towards the top of the list. Pretty much the whole season for Bowie as well. First pitch is a called strike to Sung-Jae Chang. Pitch he saw and flew out to deep straightaway center field. He shows bunt here. It's right out in front of home plate. Nabbed by Ardua, and he rifles it down to first in time. Base out. The 1-1 from Chapman is a casting ground ball over to second. It's vacuumed in by Dixon on a high hop towards his chest. On to second for one. The throw to first is in time. A rifle.
In case Chang lays down the bunt. He shows bunt, pulls back, and takes a ball outside. The ninth. 1-0. Chang shows bunt, pulls back, and takes a called strike. A fastball on the outer edge. Beavers, the first baseman, in on the grass. 1-1. Chang shows bunt, pulls back, and takes a ball in, or swings away in a favorable count. 2-1. Shows bunt, bunts it to the third baseman Higgins, scoops it up, throws to first. Not in time again. The bases are loaded for Altoona with nobody out in the fifth. Are back. 2-2. And a line drive in the right center field. That's a base hit, and it splits the gap and rolls all the way to the wall. Pichardo scores. Fajardo scores. Chang rounding third. Relay throw from Burns offline. He scores standing up. And Perez is into second with a bases clearing double. Altoona has taken the lead. That one in before it hit the dirt. And the pitch to Beavers is looped into shallow center, and it's caught by the shortstop Chang behind second base. Beautiful Wednesday night in Bowie. Sung-Jae Chang takes it, but has cooled down to a very comfortable temperature as Chang pokes one foul off the 2-0-2 is up high. 1 ball, 2 strikes. 1-2 from long, and Chang fights it off foul down the left field line. So far at the pen. 1-2, golfed foul over to the left. 1-2 offering is roped past the first baseman. Beavers on the ground in the right field, a base hit. Etzel cuts it off. Chang rounds first, goes for second, and he's in there without a throw. And now the throw comes a little late from Burns, the relay man. Sung-Jae Chang's second hit. Right-handed batter, and Chang takes off for third, pitches a strike, throw from Ardua, and Higgins, the third baseman, dropped it. And Chang slides in safely. Chang's 13th steal of the year. Long's ready. He throws. Peterson grounds it to short. Ben Cosme spins, comes home. Play at the plate. Ardua applies the tag, and he's out. What a play by Ben Cosme. 0-2 pitch. Hard ground ball, takes a high hop off the mound for the shortstop Chang, who backhands it and throws to first in time to get Burns.
Season, well, deal the first pitch. And Chang takes a called strike on a center cut cutter. Played his college ball at Tulane, was drafted by the Orioles in the 15th round in 2021. And he his 0-2 out of the wind to Chang is that splitter, and it's just outside. Scoreless in 4 of his last 5 outings. The 1-2 is up and away. First sign of the straight fast. Scoreless. Harrisburg in his second action of the week on Saturday. The 2-2 is a jab shot to Chang. The 2-2 out of the wind to Sung-Jae Chang is fouled off the mitt of the catcher Ardua. Altoona against this curve side. The next pitch is driven in the air out to left center field. Rhodes racing back into the alleyway. Has it measured, and the left fielder makes the catch. Outstretched to his left with his hips swiveled towards the gap just shy of the track. Chang retired for the first down.